Spring is here, and for many of you, that means switching from the snowblower module to the lawnmower module. But before you make that switch, here's a few things you shouldn't skip. Taking a few minutes to maintain your snowblower could make a huge difference for next winter.
First, safety. Turn off your Yarbo, disconnect the battery, and wear gloves. And never use your hands to clear anything. Shut it down in the app, make sure all lights are off, then remove the battery and store it somewhere dry and stable. Use a soft brush or cloth to remove snow, dirt, and debris. Avoid pressure washing. Gentle cleaning works best. Do a quick inspection. Check the bolts, clear the tracks, and make sure the cameras are clean. If you're storing it long term, keeping it dry helps prevent rust. One more thing. Check the discharge chute. If it's clogged, shut everything down first and use the tool provided. Never use your hands.
And that's it. And now you're ready for spring. Take care of your Yarbo today, and it'll be ready for next winter.